So this is the printables website, and they would try and sit here and track you. Hello, thanks for visiting. Before proceeding to the content we prepared for you, please let's agree on what we can learn about your visit. By clicking I'm okay with that, you agree with storing cookies on your device to help improve our website and marketing efforts. And they make it sound like you can't say no. Okay? All you gotta do is do that. Reject all. I'm so sick and tired of websites and companies storing cookies, storing information, selling your information. And even though you say no, they're still doing it anyway if they want to. So it's really absolutely just annoying. I am going to look and see if we got X6100 stuff on here. Some goofy thing like that. Fujifilm. Alright. $51.05 handles and frame. This looks like it's very similar to the other one that I did.
Go ahead, George. Could Victor ski in your pool? I don't think so. You don't.
Those look nice.
I was waiting down. I have one of those automatic pool cleaners that doesn't even my pool, but I'm a
Yeah, there's not much on here. So this is what we get when we type in ham radio.
Yeah, Bill loves to have Jaguars in the shop, and then some shithead crying about the price.
Not a whole lot.
Did you tell him, well, it's not my fault you got a lousy ass car? I'll tell him how Jaguars are so nice.
Wow.
Sure.